Good morning students. In previous lecture we have learned about symmetric and schizo-symmetric matrix. So now our topic is for a square matrix A plus A transpose always be a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose always be schizo-symmetric matrix. We are going to prove it. Okay. So first, for a square matrix A plus A transpose will be a symmetric matrix. So let A plus A transpose be a matrix B. We suppose it. Now we have to show it that if we can show that B equals B transpose, then we are going to prove it. So let A plus A transpose equal to B. Now B equal to A plus A transpose. Now taking both sides transpose. दोनों ट्रांसपोज लेने पर B transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. Okay. So what will happen? By the property of transpose, this transpose will appear to both the matrices. So it will expand through A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Now we know that A transpose whole transpose again equal to matrix A. So substituting the value here, it is A transpose plus A. Now interchanging the position because matrix addition is commutative. Okay. So we can write A here and A transpose here. So this will again we got matrix B. So we show that B equal to B transpose. By the help of this we can say that for every square matrix A plus A transpose always be equal to symmetric. Now we are going to prove A minus A transpose is schizo-symmetric matrix. So let us suppose C is any square matrix and C equal to A minus A transpose. Now taking the property of transpose both sides, now taking both sides transpose. So C transpose equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. Again on operating transpose in both the matrices, it will gives us A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. Again we know that A transpose whole transpose equal to matrix A. So on substituting the value A transpose minus A, now taking minus common, minus A transpose. Now what is the value of A minus A transpose? A minus A transpose equal to C. So substituting the value C here, we get C transpose equal to minus of C. On multiplying both sides by negative sign, we got C equal to C transpose. So here we show that if A is any square matrix, then A plus A transpose must be a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose always be a schizo-symmetric matrix. Now coming to the next theorem number 2, every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and schizo-symmetric matrix. So have a look how we are going to prove it. Let A be any square matrix, then we know that A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is schizo-symmetric matrix. So we can write A just like that. If you are going to cancel it, A transpose minus A transpose both are cancel out. Okay. A plus A 2A divided by 2 must be equal to A. So we can express A as this. Okay. Now we know that A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is schizo-symmetric. Okay. So we can say that A equal to half of symmetric matrix plus half of schizo-symmetric matrix. So we can see that by the definition every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and schizo-symmetric matrix. Now we are going to prove this theorem by taking an example. Okay. So now we are going to take one example to prove the theorem. Okay students. So let one question, express B equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 as the sum of symmetric and schizo-symmetric matrix. Okay. So now we are going to prove it. Okay. So let first B equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 and minus 3. Now first we find the transpose of B. So what is B transpose, students? B transpose interchange the row into column. So 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. It is B transpose. This is, let us assume this is equation 1 and this is 2. Now adding both the equations, B plus B transpose. So how we are going to add it? The corresponding term will add with the corresponding position of other elements. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2, it becomes minus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2, minus 3, all adding, minus 3 gives us minus 6. Is it clear? Now subtracting equation second from first, that is B minus B transpose. So 2 minus 2, that is 0, minus 2 on subtracting minus 1, it will be plus. So minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5, minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, 3 minus 3, that is 0, 4 minus plus, so 4 plus 2 will be 6, 1 minus 4, that is 5, minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6, and minus 3 plus 3, that is again 0. Okay students, now dividing, expressing the term, we know that every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and symmetric. Okay, now substituting the value here, 1 by 2 times B plus B transpose, that is 4 minus 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 6 2, minus 3 6 2, minus 3 2 minus 6, minus 3 2 minus 6, plus half of, now substitute the value of B minus B transpose, 0 minus 1 minus 5, 0 minus 1 minus 5, 1 0 6, 1 0 6, 5 minus 6 0, 5 minus 6 0. Okay, now we can take half outside common. Okay, half, we are taking half common outside both the matrix. Now adding both the matrices, 4 plus 0, that is 4, minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8, minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, 6 plus 0, that is again 6, 2 plus 6, that is 8, minus 3 plus 5, that is 2, 2 minus 6, that is minus 4, and minus 6 plus 0, that is minus 6. On dividing by 2 the every element of the matrices, we got 4 divided by 2, that is 2, minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2, minus 8 divided by 2, that is minus 4, minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 8 divided by 2, that is 4, 2 divided by 2, that is 1, minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2, and minus 6 divided by 2, that is minus 3. Okay, now check the matrix with this, comparing both the matrix. 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 3 4, minus 1 3 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 3. What is the resultant matrix? That is B. The resultant matrix is B. So we can easily check that every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric and symmetric matrices. Okay.